Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this really easy, peaceful woodland scene. For the background colour, I'm mixing a little bit of cobalt blue and some cobalt turquoise into white. I'm going to start by adding white to the canvas, and then when I come in with my blue, I'm using a crisscross motion to blur the lighter and darker blue areas together. This will give us a really nice blurred background. I'm using a large filbert brush, but any large brush will do. Now I'm adding a little bit of Payne's Grey to the mix with my white and cobalt blue so I get a nice bluey grey colour. And I'm going to use this to block out the main shape of my birch trees. I've added a little bit more white and blue to make smaller, fainter trees in the distance. You can use the side of your filbert brush to get a thinner line, or you can use a smaller brush, whatever's easiest for you. With a slightly darker grey colour, we can start painting in our branches. I've made a dark green colour with sap green, a little Payne's Grey. You can also add a little bit of cobalt turquoise, and I'm going to use a large filbert brush again to block out the grass and the forest floor. With a smaller brush you can come in and add a few more details, some blades of grass and some leaves. I'm painting white at either side of the birch tree, slightly curving the brush strokes as I come around, just to add those highlights and curve to the tree. We can also use this darker green to block out the leaves on the birch trees. Use the shape of the brush to get a nice point on each leaf. Then I've added a little cadmium yellow to my green to make it lighter, and we can add more leaves and a little more detail on the forest floor. We can add a little white to make the green lighter still, and we can use this to add a few highlights. I've used my brilliant purple with a little bit of Payne's Grey, and I'm going to block out the purple flowers at the bottom of the painting. You can paint yours whatever colour that you like. And again, I'm using my brilliant purple for some brighter areas, and then I've added a little white and we'll add our highlights again. Now it's time to paint in our birds. I'm using a small round brush for this, but use whatever brush you're comfortable with. I'm using cobalt blue and a little cadmium orange, and then just adding a couple of tiny details with some Payne's grey. These are the brushes and colours that I've used today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.